I am not an expert on auditions or on acting technique. What I am an expert on is headshots for actors. My skill is helping you as an actor get the very best headshot you can. In fact, get a set of headshots showing you in different characters that give you the best chance of getting noticed by the casting director and therefore getting to audition. If the casting director doesn't notice you, you'll never get to audition. If your CV isn't good enough or you don't have enough experience for the roles you're applying for, you won't get to audition. So be realistic about what you're applying for. But when you get to audition, it's your chance, guys, to show people what you can do. And once you're at audition, and once you've been noticed by the casting director, your headshot has done its job. And if you should ask yourself this, if you're not getting enough auditions, and if you're not getting the chance to perform properly at these auditions, then maybe your headshot isn't working for you. And that's something to think about. Bad headshot means no work.